Introducing Kraemer Refrigeration Heating and AC Repair. We specialize in residential heating and AC services, such as residential changeouts, troubleshooting, and installation. We also provide service on LP propane, electric furnaces, fuel oil furnaces, and heat pumps. We work in commercial settings and can handle any commercial refrigeration troubleshooting and repair. We offer quality and expert service, and if we can't help you, we'll gladly refer you to someone who can. For more info, visit KraemerRefrigeration.com or call 320-597-7272.